Hi, welcome to Sustainable Style News. I've been charity shopping today and it's in a lovely independent charity shop where often you can find better things than some of the other sort of chain charity shops. This one is called the Chatwell Trust. It supports children in the oncology ward at King's Hospital, so local, where one of my daughters was born as well. We live very nearby, so it feels really good to support them. I don't often find stuff in there that's my sort of taste, and it can be a bit mix and match. Sometimes I find very little that inspires me, but I like to just have a little look. And today I found lots and lots of little things, and I'm just going to show you 4 of the items that I've found. This amazing necklace, it looks vintage to me. Based on a piece of fabric. I just think it's so special. It looks really, really good with this navy blue top that I also got, which is a H&M top. I just think it looks so tailored. I tried it on, it was the perfect fit. So that's really, really cool. And also this amazing little lampshade. Now I was looking for another one because, as you can see, we like chandeliers, but I have a brand new office and it's been done in grey, and this would just suit the little central light. So I thought that could work really, really well. I'm going to tell you the prices in a minute. And also this amazing pendant, which I'm going to put on a new cord, but I just love it. So thrilled with my little finds today. This was £2. You can't go wrong with a classic lace navy top, especially if it fits. This vintage necklace was £1.50. Again, makes a beautiful outfit. This was £3 and it's got its original tags on, so it's not even being used. And they had it out of the box to just see. And this was just, I think it was £1 or 50p. So amazing bargains. Looking forward to showing you some of my finds very soon and what I'm going to do with them.